Welcome everybody to Live Case Break. This is Larry. We're doing a single box of Panini Vertex for Andy C. Good luck, my man. It's 3 packs per box. Alright, pack number 1. Well, there's tons of base cards. Okay, I see how this goes. I thought there was much fewer cards. So the base spot in this is pretty darn good. Robbie Anderson, Golden Tate. You got a parallel of Alex Smith, Carson Wentz, Devontae Freeman, LeGarrette Blount, Steve McMichael, and you got a ground control DeMarco Murray that is not numbered, but it is cool looking. Steve McMichael and LeGarrette Blount. We got Tyreek Hill, Jarvis Landry. Oh, let that be autographed. Nope. Khalil Mack, John Elway. Past and present. Your RPA is C.J. Beathard. He's actually highly regarded. Once they got Garoppolo, it like kind of spelled doom for him. That's 1 out of 99. People are high on him, though. It's a pretty cool Jason Witten. It's like matted. Unbreakable. 6 out of 25. And then you have, this is an Andy Dalton Air Supremacy. Not numbered, but definitely cool looking. It's got all kinds of different textures to it. And you have more base cards. Jeremy Maclin and Alex Smith. Alright, you got, so these base, oh, you got a redemption in here, Andrew, so hopefully that's good. Carson Palmer, Ben Roethlisberger, T.Y. Hilton, and Matt Ryan. Nemesis, Cam Newton, Von Miller, that's cool. Devontae Freeman, ground control. You got another C.J. Beathard, this is a jumbo patch out of 99. And your redemption, well, that paid for the box. Rookie capstone, I think, is the case hit, dude. I will. Thank you, Andy. But I think we got... I think rookie capstones is the case hit, bro. Can you see what it is? It's like not focusing. Fournette, bro. Yeah. Still nice, man. If anybody else wants a box at that price, guys, it's available. We're blowing this out tonight. I can't put that price into the Facebook group. He got 2.